So we spent last weekend, Easter weekend, in Secretary, and we worked on multiple projects. Let's see, I worked on the closet in the bedroom that used to be orange. It's kind of one of the last steps of getting that room done. The closet was really bad. The plaster was peeling, the wallpaper was peeling off the plaster was cracking, so I had to mend the wall. So it's not a very exciting project, but I'll show you the footage. Good morning from Secretary. Let's see. Oh, it's beautiful outside today. Update. Boom, what's the update? Not a whole lot. We just got here for the weekend. We're working on the house. We're doing floors, almost done, bedrooms. My very first job was to remove the old shelving unit that was in the closet. The shelves are useful, but quite frankly, I just want a larger closet, so we went ahead and popped those out. And then the next step took forever, which was taking all the old wallpaper off of the plaster. Oh my God, that was so exhausting. So I was really terrible. I didn't get any footage of me removing the wallpaper just because I was sweating and disgusting and exhausted. However, I did take a few pics of the old wallpaper to share for you all to see how pretty the house must have looked at one point in time. Once all of the peeling wallpaper was removed off of the plaster, I could go ahead and clean all of the mess up, and it was everywhere, so that was quite the job. And then I went ahead and opened the can of Guards, which is a primer that I found to work really well over plaster, and it soaks in and then allows the paint to be applied directly onto the plaster and adhere nicely. May not be everybody's idea of, well, not paradise, but close to, but having a lilac bush next to a work shed where I can paint in peace and quiet and get paint wherever I want, on the floors, on the walls, who cares? It's perfect. And it even has shelves. These are the doors that I'm going to repaint for inside. And that's them. I had about, I would say, half a gallon of Benjamin Moore Rockport Gray left over from our bathroom downstairs when I had painted the bathroom. So I decided to use that in the closet to save a bit of money. And also, I think the color looks great. It's just a closet after all. I kept the one shelf in the closet. Obviously, that's very useful. The shelf, the trim, that was all painted in Benjamin Moore Cloud White in semi-gloss.